Morning guys, so we just arrived at Pukuni Holiday Park. Let's go. Alright, we're already settled in. We're so quick, you didn't see it. Let's move inside. Check it out. It's all empty. How long am I gonna stay here? 8 weeks? This is our room. Let's go inside. This is Diego. That's our roommate. Living room. A little fridge. And this is where the Roadrebelz are gonna lay their heads down at night. So we got everything from the van, put it in here. Took us 2 hours. And this is how we close the curtains every night. Kind of. Yeah. Well, you know, it's already like 3 or 4 p.m. So we're gonna head out to one of the most famous wharfs here, close to Pukuni Holiday Park, where the locals catch their fish. Vamos. So this is the holiday park, you can see behind me. You've got different levels. This is with all the campers, for all the people that are having holiday here. And this level is for the backpackers. The people that work here at the orchards, picking avocados.
Is that helium?
Helium.
I looked it up.
Yeah.
202.
Let's move on. We have one like this upstairs where all the backpackers prepare their food. It's sharing. Sharing is caring. Bye. That's the office. Wharf. That's where we're going right now. Alright. Let's go. Very windy at the wharf, but I'm 100% positive that in the upcoming 2 weeks we will be back there to fish ourselves. Maybe with one of the locals would be cool. Would you want to fish, Art? I want to eat some fish. I want to... Fishing is great. Okay, that's enough fun for today, guys. First 3 of the 8 weeks that we are in this holiday park, we are going to explore the north of New Zealand. So it's gonna be filled with adventures. Super stoked about it. And if you want to follow our adventures, just subscribe to our channel so we can keep you updated. And then we'll see you guys the next time with a brand new adventure. Ciao, ciao.